ॐ आनिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पेज नंबर 84, श्लोक नंबर 64। अविकारी आत्मा gets bhoktritva because of the adhyas with buddhi, aham buddhi vibhrama. Drishtanta was given, nauyana vibhramat yadvat nageshu gati kalpanam. Nageshu, vriksheshu, in the trees, as if there is movement. The movement is in one. Nauka is superimposed on the other in the tree. Like that, bhoktritva is in buddhi, but superimposed in atma. So, adhyasa was explained. Further, कूटस्थ रूपेणैव परमात्मा अहंकारादि द्वैत प्रपंचम अवभासयति न विकारम आपद्यत इति अत्र विभ्रम दृष्टान्त व्यतिरेकेण वास्तव दृष्टान्तो अपि अस्ति इत्याह। कूटस्थ रूपेण एव परमात्मा अहंकारादि द्वैत प्रपंचम अवभासयति. Paramatma remaining as Kutastha illumines Ahankaradi Dvaita Prapancha. And Paramatma does not undergo any modifications. Na vikaram apadyate. Paramatma means Ahampada Lakshyartha. Ahankara means Ahampada Vachyartha. So Ahampada Lakshyartha illumines Ahampada Vachyartha. In aham itself, I should be able to see this. Aham can mean vachyartha also, aham can mean lakshyartha also. Lakshyartha illumines vachyartha. This is dhyana. When I pay attention to this aspect, that will be called meditation, dhyana. In this, iti atra vibhrama drishtanta vyatirekena vastava drishtanto api asti. Vibhrama drishtanta we gave, but somebody may think drishtanta here is avikari atma illumines vikari buddhi, bhoktru buddhi. But this is due to vibhrama. Is there any vastava drishtanta? He says yes, vastava drishtanta is also there. Yathoktartha avishkaranaya drishtantantaropadanam. For yathokta artha, arthasya avishkaranam. Avishkaranam means revelation. For this revelation of this teaching that avikari atma illumines bhoktritva of buddhi adi and superimposes it on itself also, drishtantantara upadanam, another drishtanta. Drishtantantara samasa vigraha अन्यत दृष्टांतम दृष्टांतांतरम तस्य उपादानम. Upadanam means grahanam. another example is given. Yatha jatyamane shubhra ज्वलंती निश्चला शिखा सन्निध्य सन्निधानेषु घटादीनाम विक्रिया यथा जात्यमणे शुभ्रा ज्वलंती निश्चला शिखा सन्निध्य सन्निधानेषु घटादीनाम विक्रिया यथा जात्यमणे शुभ्रा निश्चला ज्वलंती शिखा घटादीनाम सन्निधि असन्निधानेषु अविक्रिया क्रियापद you will have to give प्रकाशयति और अविक्रिया तिष्ठति. Jatyamani means, take a simple example, diamond. But diamond doesn't have its own shine, or it has. Any such precious stone which has its own shine, and it is white because Shubhra is given. Agni Drishtanta is not given because Agni can reduce, can flare up. So there is Vikara in Agni Jyoti. But this Mani has the ability to illumine, and it remains the same, avikari. So that avikaritvam and prakashana samarthyam, without undergoing modification, the ability to illumine. This is the point he wants to make. So jatyamane hai shikha, the bright shine, the shine of how. So here jatyamane hai shikha is a similar word is coined. And how is that? Shubhra Nischala Jwalanti. It is pure white. Nischala means unlike the flame which is wavering, it doesn't waver. Jwalanti means bright, not dim. And Ghatadinam Sannidhi Asthaneshu. In the presence of Ghata or in the absence of Ghata, it illumines both. Sannidhi Asannidhaneshu. So this, whatever such shlokas are there, they are for our chintanam. That I can be just by myself and dwell on this part. So the one who is avikari and prakasha swarupa is me, different from ahankaradi, which are prakashya and vikari. Jato bhavo jatyah tasya mane shikha. So such mani, jatya mani, so jato bhava jatyah. मणे शिखा प्रकाश्य घटादि सन्निधा वसन्निधावपि अविक्रिया विकार शून्या तिष्ठति तद्वद आत्मा अपि इत्यर्थः. घटादि आर प्रकाश्य. Manishikha means Mani Prabha. You know, there is a commentary called Mani Prabha on all Upanishads. Bhagwan Bhashyakars Bhashya is there. Like that, there is one commentator, he has written commentary called Mani Prabha. So, Shikha here is like Prabha. Ghatadi sannidhau asannidhavapi. Like Nataka Deepa, it illumines everything. But in Nataka Deepa, that Deepa can increase or go down. That's why here he gives the example of Jatya Mani. Mani, there is no reducing of the brightness. And nothing else is required to trigger it. It is there by itself. Surya Drashtanta would work during the daytime. But this Mani Drashtanta will work anytime. So Atma is also Vikara Shunya. Okay. Nanu tatra shikhayaha swarupeण avikriyatvam asampratipannam iti ashankya tad darshayati. Somebody says shikha having swarupena avikriyatvam is asampratipannam. It is not agreed upon by both. Means we don't agree that shikha is swarupena avikari. So he explains how. Which part of the Drishtanta and Darshtanta, Sadharmyam or Samanyam, is what you should see. Atra ayam ansho vivakshitaha iti jnapanaya aha. This amsha is vivakshita. Vivakshita, how vivakshita shabda will be formed?
Vach dhatu, ta pratyaya, nich and ta.
And how will ikar come?
Nich.
Vivakshi. Nishtha pratyaya you will do, takar will come. Vaktum ichha vivaksha, san pratyaya. Anybody else?
Ardhadhatukasya dvalami.
Everywhere where ikar comes in nishtha pratyaya, what is the sutra?
Is it not ardhadhatukasya dvalami?
I'm just asking. It could be there. You have to look into it. Because vivakshita is the amsha. It could be nich also. Ardhadhatukasya also is possible. In Jnapanaya, pakara, how pakara will come?
Arti hri hri rik no yikshma yatam pamna.
What is the nimitta here? Is it arti, hri, vli, ri, knoi, smai, yatam? What is the nimitta? Is the akaranta dhatu, jna avabodhane. Akaranta dhatu gets pugagama.
With the same sutra, Swamiji?
Yes. At the end, that yatam is there in that. Shmai yatam. Atam. Ayam atra दृष्टान्ते दार्ष्टान्तिक उपयोगी विवक्षितोंश इति प्रतिज्ञापनाय इत्यर्थः. अयम अत्र दृष्टान्ते दार्ष्टान्तिक उपयोगी विवक्षितो अंश. The vivakshita amsha here is only this much, which is there in Drishtanta, which is Darshtantika Upayogi. What is that amsha? He says, Yadavastha vyanakti tadavasthaiva sa punaha panyate na vyanakti घटादीनाम सन्निधौ. यदवस्था व्यनक्तीति तदवस्थैव सा पुनः भण्यते न व्यनक्तीति घटादीनाम सन्निधौ. यदवस्था व्यनक्ति इति तद अवस्था एव सा पुनः घटादीनाम असन्निधौ न व्यनक्ति इति भण्यते. सो यद अवस्था व्यनक्ति इति भण्यते तदवस्था एव सा पुनः सा शिखा घटादीनाम असन्निधौ न व्यक्ति इति भण्यते. So that जात्य मणि है शिखा यद अवस्था व्यनक्ति, that state in which it illumines things remaining the same, tad avastha eva, means it doesn't change. So when ghatadis are there, ghatadinam sannidhau vyanakti, ghatadinam asannidhau na vyanakti iti bhanyate. Only this much amsha is vivakshita amsha, not everything. In vivaksha, there is itach pratyaya. Itach pratyaya also you can do. That will make it vivakshita. Tika. Yadavasthavati shikha vyanakti iti bhanyate. Tadavasthavati eva सा एव शिखा न व्यनक्ति इति अपि भण्यते. सो यद अवस्थावती शिखा व्यनक्ति, दैट अवस्थावती, दैट अवस्था वाली शिखा व्यनक्ति इति भण्यते. तदवस्थावती एव शिखा, इन शिखा देयर इज नो विकार, बिकॉज इन अग्नि when ghata is there, that shikha is one. Ghata is removed, ghata abhava is there. By that time, that agni prajwalana, it has moved forward because the wick goes up or down. So the new flame has come. So it is not same, but here it is same. That is what he points out. तदवस्थावती एव न व्यनक्ति इति अपि भण्यते. घटादि असन्निधानात् ततश्च. सो घटादि असन्निधानात् न व्यनक्ति, सो सन्निधानात् व्यनक्ति. ततश्च प्रकाश्य सन्निधि असन्निधिभ्यां व्यनक्ति न व्यनक्ति इति व्यपदेशो न तु विकार तद्भावाभ्यां. प्रकाश्य सन्निधि असन्निधिभ्याम, in the presence of prakashya ghatadi or in their absence, vyanakti na vyanakti, such vyapadesha is there. Natu vikara tadabhavabhyam. Prakashya sannidhi asannidhi is the निमित्त for the vyapadesha, vyanakti, vyanakti, not vikara and its sabhava. So vikara satve vyanakti or abhivyakti karoti, vikara bhave अभिव्यक्ति न तो विकार तद अभावाभ्याम. विकार इज नॉट द क्राइटेरिया. प्रकाश्य सन्निधि इज क्राइटेरिया. Means if Ghata has, then it illumines. Ghata doesn't have Vikara, that also it illumines. That is not what we are saying. Ghata is there, it illumines. Ghata is not there, it illumines. Or being Vikari, it illumines. And Vikara Abhava, it doesn't illumine. Not like that. Always remaining Avikari, it illumines. Tasmat Swarupena Avikriyatvam Siddham. Therefore, Swarupena, it is Avikari only. दृष्टांतगतम अर्थम दार्ष्टान्तिके समर्पयति. So what is revealed in दृष्टांत, now he puts in दार्ष्टान्त. तत्र च सर्वधी व्यञ्जकस्तद्वत् परमात्मा प्रदीपकः सन्निध्य सन्निधानेषु तीवृत्तीनाम विक्रियः. सर्वधी व्यञ्जकस्तद्वत् परमात्मा प्रदीपकः सन्निध्य सन्निधानेषु धीवृत्तीनाम विक्रियः. तद्वत् परमात्मा. Tadvat means like the example which was given in the previous shloka. Paramatma pradipakaha sarvadhi vyanjakaha. Dhi buddhi. All buddhis, their vikar. Atma, who is like a pradipakaha. Dhi vrittinam sannidhi asannidhaneshu pradipakaha avikriyah. In the presence of all the buddhi vrittis and their absence. In Drishtanta it was Ghatadinam. In Dashtanta it is buddhi vrittinam. Sannidhi asannidhi. Avikriyatvam is in both. Shikhamani and here this. Shikham. In Vedanta Paribhasha, there is one tika called Shikhamani tika, written by the son of Dharmaraja Dwarindra, I think. Shikhamani tika is also prasiddha. So Paramatma is Sarvadhi Vyanjakaha. Dhivrittinam avikriyaha. This is Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi
सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत.
sarvakshetreshu bharata. Can you see me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji. But sound breaks in between.
Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi.
सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत.
And what is Kshetrajna? Etymology.
क्षेत्रं जानाति इति.
Kshetram janati iti kshetrajna. So Bhagavan says three things there. He says Kshetrajna is the knower of Kshetra. Number two, that Kshetrajna is Brahma. Number three, that Brahma not only illumines one Kshetra, but Sarva Kshetra. It is in all Kshetra. So knower of Kshetra, knower of all Kshetra, and Brahma means Adhishtanam of Kshetra also. knower of kshetra, knower of all kshetra, adhishthanam of kshetra. Adhishthanam of kshetra means kshetra is also adhyastha in kshetrajna. That is Paramatma. टीका परमात्मा प्रकाशो अपि तद तद्वत् धीवृत्तीनां सन्निधि असन्निधाने निर्विकार उच्यते इत्यर्थः। परमात्मा प्रकाश स्वरूप तद्वत् धीवृत्तीनां सन्निधि सन्निधाने निर्विकार एव without any changeless एव सर्वधी व्यंजको it includes all buddhis and now it is not kshetra, it is different from kshetra, it is kshetrajna nirvikara iti cha uchyate ityarthah. Etadeva prapanchayati, that he explains further. न प्रकाश क्रिया काची दस्य स्वात्मनि विद्यते उपचारात् क्रिया सास्य यः प्रकाश्यस्य सन्निधिः। न प्रकाश क्रिया काची दस्य स्वात्मनि विद्यते उपचारात् क्रिया सास्य यः प्रकाश्यस्य सन्निधिः। प्रकाश क्रिया काचित् प्रकाश क्रिया काचित् स्वात्मनि विद्यते सा अस्य क्रिया उपचारात् यह प्रकाश्यस्य सन्निधिः। आत्मा, when we say atma prakashayati, atma illumines, so we get the idea there is some kriya, because we are doing kriya pada prayoga. Vakya is there, vakya has karta, kriya pada, we think there is act of doing. When we use the vakya atma prakashayati बुद्धिवृत्तयः और बुद्धिवृत्ति, आत्मा illumines, so atma becomes karta. Prakashanam is kriya. There is a dhatu. So we think atma is doing some kriya. So this shloka says in atma really there is no kriya. Kriya is only upachara matra. It is like Suryaha Jagat Ayati. So sun actually doesn't do any kriya. There is only notion that it is illumined. Swatmani asya kachit prakasha kriya na vidyate. There is no kriya of illumination. It is only upachara. Upacharat sa asya kriya. What is that? It being in the proximity of prakashya vastu, that itself is illumination. See the tika. Nanu prakasha kriya abhave dhivrittihi prakashayati iti kartritva vyapadesho na syat. Prakasha kriya abhave, you have to read. Huh? If prakasha kriya is not there, then dhivrittihi prakashayati atma dhivrittihi prakashayati iti kartritva vyapadesho na syat. Atma is karta of the prakashana kriya and dhivrittis are the prakashya iti ashankya. Janya kriya abhave api आदित्यादीनाम इव प्रकाश्य सन्निधि उपाधिकः प्रकाशयति इति कर्तृत्व व्यपदेश उपचारात् भवति इत्याह. उपचार Janya Kriya is not there. Means not that there was a time when it was not illumining, then it starts illumining, then now it will stop illumining. Janya Kriya abhave api adityadinam iva, like the sun, prakashanam continues. Prakashya sannidhi upadhikaha. So prakashya sannidhi upadhi is there. In that proximity, it keeps illumining everything. And illumination is only upachara. It is like parvataha tishthanti. The mountains are standing. Means what? They are not doing any act of standing. Those who can do other things, like we can walk, we can sit, we can sleep. So then when we are standing, we say it is a kriya. Or parvataha tishthanti, nagaha tishthanti. So there is nothing else to do. They cannot do anything else. Tishtati is their swabhava. So there is nothing called tishtati as kriya with a dhatu, etc. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaram Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.